Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Elementor plugin's enable save mode error in a WordPress website. First, ensure WordPress, Elementor, and Elementor Pro if used, your theme, and all plugins are up to date. Then, clear your browser cache and any WordPress caching plugins like W3 Total Cache, WP Super Cache, etc. Next, navigate to Elementor and Tools, then Save Mode and click Disable Save Mode. Deactivate all plugins except Elementor and Elementor Pro. Then, reload the Elementor editor. If the issue is gone, reactive plugins one by one to find which one is causing the problem. Once identified, consider replacing the conflicting plugin or contacting its developer. Now, go to Appearance and Themes. Activate a default WordPress theme such as 2024. Then, check if Elementor works. If yes, the issue lies with your previous theme. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.